Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear educarians. I hope you all are doing well. By the grace of Allah Almighty, I am your maths teacher and this is our fourth lesson of mathematics. Okay, dear students, as you know, we are doing unit number 4, decimals and fractions. Okay, students, these are the content of today's lesson. Today we will learn about decimals and we will solve the sums of exercise number 4. These are the learning outcomes of today's lesson. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to identify the place value of the digits and students will be able to solve the sums of exercise number 4. So the material required for this lesson is lead pencil, eraser, highlighter, mathematics book, ruler, notebook. I hope you have all these things and you are ready for this lesson. Okay, dear students, here is the index page. Firstly, you will write the serial number 4, today's date here, and then write the topic unit number 4, decimals and fractions. Okay, dear students, let's move to exercise number 4. It's about identify the place value of the digits that has been underlined. Let me solve the first question of this exercise, that is 345.9. Students, look at this question. We will identify the place of digit 9 because 9 is underlined digit. To identify the place of digit, you will draw the decimal place value chart because we will identify the place according to decimal place value chart. Look at this question. 9 is in the 10th place. According to decimal place value chart, 9 is in the 10th place. Let's move to part B, that is 2.305. Dear students, in this question, we will identify the place of digit 0 because 0 is underlined digits. To identify the place of 0, we will draw the decimal place value chart just like as. So look at this chart, 0 is in the hundreds place. According to decimal place value chart, 0 is in the hundreds place. Let's move to part C, that is 3.05. So dear students, here we will identify the place 5 because 5 is underlined digit. To identify the place of 5, we will draw decimal place value chart. Look, here 5 is in the hundreds place. So according to decimal place value chart, 5 is in the hundreds place. Let me solve the part D, that is 61.27. So dear students, here we will identify the place of digit 7 because 7 is an underlined digit. So identify the place of 7, we will draw the decimal place value chart just like as. So look at this chart, 7 is in the hundreds place. So dear students, according to decimal place value chart, 7 is in the hundreds place. Let's move to part E, that is 63.51. Here we will identify the place of digit 5 because 5 is an underlined digit. To identify the place of 5, we will draw the decimal place value chart. And according to decimal place value chart, 5 is in the 10th place. So dear students, according to decimal place value chart, 5 is in the 10th place. Let's move to part F, that is 8.865. So dear students, here we will identify the place of digit 6 because 6 is the underlined digit. To identify the place of digit 6, we will draw the decimal place value chart. Look at this chart, 6 is in the hundreds place. So dear students, according to decimal place value chart, 6 is in the hundreds place. Let's have a quick review of today's lesson. Today we have learned about decimals and we have solved the sums of exercise number 4. In next lesson, we will discuss about unit number 4, addition and subtraction of decimal numbers, and we will solve the sums of exercise number 6. So dear students, read this topic from your book. In next lesson, when I will teach this topic, you have clear vision about this. Now it's time for task to do. You have to solve the sums of exercise number 4 and practice this exercise on register again and again. Okay dear educarians, I hope you have understood each and every point of this lesson. Here is a short assessment for you. Assessment is a key component of learning. Assessment plays major role in how students learn. So, by keeping today's lesson in your mind, you can assess yourself. Okay dear students, as you know, after every lesson, we have some fun fact for you. So today's fun fact is, decimal fraction was first developed and used by the Chinese, and then spread to the Middle East and from there to Europe. The Chinese decimal fractions were non-positional. I hope this lesson will be really helpful for you. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.